Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Deel for automated HR workflows step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.deel.com and press enter. Once the Deel homepage loads, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Enter your email address and create a strong password. After entering your credentials, click on the Get Started button. Next, check your email for a confirmation link sent by Deel. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Deel website. Log in using the email and password you created. Upon logging in, you will be guided through a brief setup process. Fill out your profile information, including your full name and job title. Next, provide the necessary company information, if prompted. Select your preferred payment methods and currency. Review your entries to ensure all information is accurate. After confirming your details, click on the Complete Setup button. You will now be directed to your dashboard. Explore the automated HR workflows available on your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the features and tools offered. To set up automated workflows, navigate to the Workflows tab. Click on Create New Workflow to begin designing your workflow. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your workflow settings. Once finished, save your workflow to activate it. You have now successfully registered and set up automated HR workflows with Deel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.